Yeah, it's killer. Like the birds in the sky that want to fly alone. Where's the stop to the start? Scooter pushing a shopping cart. Filipe deep dreaming, like cows on their feet and thinking.
Anybody that doesn't push back the shopping cart. Anybody that doesn't push back the shopping cart.
Push back. Push back, people.
Push it back. All you gotta do is push back. Silent but deadly fart on them later at the grocery store the next time if I could. Even if it isn't silent, that'd be even better.
The stopping of their passengers.
Clay just exposed me. I fart on people at the grocery store. Who doesn't?